Hi, in the game of cricket, if you know how to hold the ball, it's not enough. You need to know how to grip it. That's the first step of the game. In the same way, in the game of machining, you should know the first step, which is selecting the right material for the right process. Now, this is the art. You need to understand for which component, which parts you need to have which raw material to be used. May it is ferrous, may it is non-ferrous, may it is specialty alloys, or maybe exotic metals, plastics and resins. If you see, if you have a wrong part for a wrong process, there are four things happen. A, it's inaccurate machining. B, it will be loss of tool. Three is a production loss. And fourth is complete component failure. In the entire machining process, you need to understand while selecting the raw material, three things are very important. One, what application which you are using for which the raw material is used. Second, the tool compatibility. And the third most thing is the post process impact, like heat treatment or anodizing effect on the component because of the raw material. All the detailed tricks and tips have been explained in my first chapter of ebook Understanding the Game of Machining. I have given you the download link in the description. I also request you to join my YouTube channel skill match underscore edu. I am going to explain you all the 22 steps which will be for the effective machining with an examples in the automotive, aerospace, die and mold, medical implant, 3C component machining. Hope you will get connected with this initiative. Thank you.